Okay, so now we're going to talk about some more advanced topics. I would probably not do this if you're a beginner, and even if you're advanced, have fun. Okay, so let's get opinions on Bid Plus. Does it work? Does it not? I just sometimes it matters if I'm in the right mood. Do I feel like Bid Plus today or not? That's really the decision for me.
Do I want cream in my coffee today?
That's honestly, I have no idea.
So I did one controlled study. I haven't done extensive studies. Did one controlled study on a really high volume product, like a million plus, like one SKU that was a million plus, and nothing. Like it ended up it literally did nothing for us for this one. So I think I did one or two products,
increase in conversions or any
nothing significant. It was I think we saw a slight increase, a little increase maybe in sales and maybe a little increase in ACoS, but honestly, it wasn't anything. It wasn't statistically significant enough for me to say whether it worked. It just seemed like it didn't work for those two products. And we literally, I set it up to where I talked to the client about it. I was like, hey, I'm going to do this. Let's test it and see if literally we see any difference at all. And we didn't see anything.
Okay. All right. That's interesting to hear. Do you have opinions on Bid Plus, Taylor?
I agree 100% with what Sean said.
Okay. Is there? I don't remember. Is there some form of Bid Plus system in AMS?
They had it the first day with the new UI, and then they got rid of it.
One day. All right.
Yeah, one day. Yeah, you got it.
Okay. So, yeah, try it. Whatever mood you're in, I guess. So,
yeah.
What's the general on the street opinion? Just so people could see, because I think you guys said this might have been counter to the industry. To voice the counter viewpoint.
For Bid Plus or for?
Yeah, or was that negative?
That was negative. I think everybody agrees.
Oh, okay. All right. Everybody agrees on Bid Plus.
I think so, yeah. I don't know anybody.
My friends, nobody's ever really.
Yeah.
I don't know.
Yeah.
Okay. All right. So we'll move on to negative keywords next.